Dear students, in previous class I had solved the problems based on simplifying a given numerical expression involving brackets, and 1-2 problems of exercise 5b have been solved. Now I am going to solve exercise 5b. In problem number 6, 7, 8, 9. Problem number 6. Sixth number problem. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. 94 divided by big bracket 90 plus 4 curly bracket starts 5 plus a small bracket 12 minus 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. Bracket 1. Big bracket closed. Is equal to 94 divided by 19 plus 4 curly bracket starts 5 plus 12 minus 9 plus 1. Solving 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Is equal to 94 divided by 19 plus 4 curly bracket start 5 plus 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. Equal to 94 divided by 19 plus 4 into 7 is equal to 94 divided by 19 plus 4 7 are 28 is equal to 94 divided by 70 18 4. And if we divide 94 by 47, we have 2 answers. To simplify the following numerical expression, 94 divided by big bracket 19 plus 4 curly bracket starts 5 plus 12 minus var bracket under 9 plus 1 a small bracket, curly bracket and big bracket is closed. Is equal to 94 divided by 19 plus 4 curly bracket 5 plus 12 minus, we perform operations under var bracket 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. And in next step we write 94 divided by 19 plus 4 curly bracket starts 5 plus 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. And 94 divided by 19 plus 4 into 7 is equal to 94 divided by 19 plus 4 into 7. Multiplying 7 by 4, we have 28. Adding 19 and 28, we have 47. The sum of 19 and 28 is equal to 47. Now we divide 94 by 47, 2. We get 2. Simplified. In 90, in 7 number questions, 7, 8 number question, solution 8, 15 minus big bracket starts 12 divided by 4 plus curly bracket 8 divided by 2 a small bracket 9 minus 7 big bracket closed. Simplifying, we write 15 minus 12 divided by 4 plus small bracket 8 divided by 2 into, we perform operation 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Bracket closed is equal to 15 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 8. 8, we perform operation division. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 4 into 2. In next step, we write 15 minus 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 8. Minus 7 is equal to 2. 2 into 2. 12 plus is equal to 15 minus 12 divided by 4. We have 3 plus 2 is equal to 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Solution 8. Now one more problem I am going to solve. Solution 9 number. Solution 9. 25 into 10 plus 560 divided by curly bracket start 80 minus 2 into 5 under one bracket is equal to 25 into 10. 25 into 10 is equal to 250 plus 560 divided by 80 minus 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Is equal to 250 plus 560 divided by, we break a small bracket and middle bracket. 80 minus 7 is equal to 70. Now we divide 560 by 70 is 8 as percent. If we divide 560 by 70, now we add 250 and 8. We get the sum 258. So the answer of question number 5 is equal to, here question number 15 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 8 divided by 2 into 9 minus 7. 15 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 8 bhaga 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 15 minus 12 divided by 4 plus we write 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Now we divide 12 by 4. We get 3 as percent plus 2. Adding 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and subtracting from 15, 10 is the answer. In question number 9, 25, simplify 25 into 10 plus 560 divided by curly bracket and a small bracket 80 minus 2 into 5 under var bracket is equal to multiplying 25 by 10, 250 plus 560 divided by 80 minus 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now we subtract 10 from 80, we have 70 as 70. After dividing by 70, we get 8 as percent. So adding 8 and 250, 258. So this exercise is completed. In next day, I will start chapter 6, factors and multiples. In next class, I will teach you what are factors, multipliers. In next class, you will try to solve the given problems, and in next class I will solve your problem. Thank you.